British Film Institute CEO Amanda Nevill said Sunday at the close of the organisation's London Film Festival that Tricia Tuttle has been appointed director, BFI Festivals. Tuttle had led this year's festival as interim artistic director after Clare Stewart went on sabbatical last year. Stewart has now decided to step down from the position. The news came as the 62nd annual fest wrapped Sunday with the world premiere of Stan Ollie, the biopic starring Steve Coogan and John C. Reilly. On Saturday, it revealed its juried winners including Sudabeh Mortezais Joy, which took home the Best Film award in the official competition. Tuttle's new title takes effect in December and she will report to BFI creative director Heather Stewart, with oversight of both LFF and Flare, London's LGBTQ Film Festival. Tuttle had been BFI's deputy head of festivals for the past 5 years before stepping in with Managing Director Anne-Marie Flynn to oversee this year's fest.
"I congratulate Tricia Tuttle on her new role," Nevill said. "She has done an astounding job leading the BFI London Film Festival this year with great skill and imagination, and she has delivered a truly world-class festival. I'm very excited to see where she takes the LFF in future years." She added, "After 6 amazing years at the helm, Clare Stewart has completely transformed the festival at home and internationally, and I want to pay tribute to her energy and vision. She has been a force of nature and I wish her all the best with her next adventure."
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.